Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to find passwords and security. Let's enter. Now we have to scroll down to find the privacy, and here in advanced section on the very first position we've got encryption and credentials. So let's enter, and that was of course a misclick. Encryption and credentials. And as you can see right here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the clear credentials option, so the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been raised successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again. So it's simply an evidence that we just successfully removed the certificates. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm your whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.